Before you spend your hard-earned money on shoes that promise to fix pain, posture, and balance almost overnight, you need to hear this full review. Because Levona Balance Shoes sound impressive on the surface, but the reality is far more ordinary. Levona Balance Shoes are marketed as orthopedic, podiatrist-recommended footwear designed to relieve heel pain, arch pain, plantar fasciitis, knee pain, and even improve posture and balance. And the website reinforces this trust by claiming over 100,000 customers, using medical-style language and pushing heavy limited-time discounts to create urgency. However, when you look beyond the marketing, there is no clinical evidence, no published medical studies, and no verifiable podiatrist endorsements proving these shoes can deliver the health benefits being advertised. What actually stands out is that the same shoe design appears on multiple wholesale and overseas marketplaces under different brand names at a fraction of the price, suggesting these are generic mass-produced shoes that have simply been rebranded. While supportive footwear can certainly improve comfort and reduce strain during daily walking, shoes alone cannot realign your spine, cure plantar fasciitis, or permanently fix joint and posture issues the way Levona's marketing implies. The customer reviews are another concern, as most testimonials appear only on the official website with no independent verification, and there is little transparency about the manufacturer, materials, or long-term durability. This follows a familiar dropshipping model where ordinary products are sold at inflated prices, using authority-based claims and urgency tactics. In summary, Levona Balance Shoes are not necessarily harmful or useless as basic casual footwear, but the medical-style promises and premium pricing are not supported by evidence. So buyers should manage expectations, compare alternatives carefully, and avoid assuming these shoes are a medical solution rather than just another pair of comfort shoes.